Hi, welcome to Julia's Crafting Space. In this video, I will show you a tutorial on how to make your own wood riser. So we're going to start off with this round wood. I got this from Hobby Lobby. And we're going to start off by sanding all around the wood. So this sand block, I got it from Lowe's. I believe I got it from Lowe's. By sanding the wood, it will make it easier for you to paint the wood. I'm also going to be adding beads, wooden beads, all around the round wood. I would like to let you know, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, if you can please subscribe for more videos, and that will also help me to make more videos. Another thing you will need for this wooden riser is some wood candle holders. I'm using this from Hobby Lobby. It's a bag of 5 candle holders. And the price for the whole candle holder, I believe, is $4.99, so $5. This rectangular wood, I believe I got it from Michael's, but it was many years ago, so I don't remember the price on that one. But this round one, it's around $2 or a little less than $2. So it's a really good price. And the wooden beads, the round ones, I got them from Amazon. And I got a package of many different sizes of beads. So basically you're making this wooden riser, the round one, for about, I would say, less than $5. So now I'm gluing all the beads all around this round wood. And this is an optional step. I just wanted to try something different, just to add a little bit of texture to my riser. So when I was working on this project, I realized that it might not be the right size of beads that I was using on this one, because at the end of when I'm done gluing all the beads, I noticed it didn't fit. So I will show you once I get there. So basically I just had to put a small bead to fill in the space. And this is my first time making a wood riser. I've been trying to make it for a while. I've had these supplies for months. So this is what I was talking about. I was trying to figure out how to fill this space. So I ended up gluing a smaller bead next to the regular sizes I was using on this one. After you're done gluing all your beads, you are going to start painting. So I used a acrylic paint, but another option would be using chalk paint. Chalk paint is really good when you're doing wood projects. I didn't have any chalk paint with me at the moment, so I had to use my acrylic paint. So now I'm going to start working on the other one while I let the other one dry. And it's a very easy project to do. Just gluing all the candle holders on the bottom of the wood. So I'm going to let this one dry and start working on the next one. So now I'm going to start painting. I started from the middle. It's just easier for me. Another thing you can do to make your project faster is spray painting. For that, you need to go outside and spray paint your whole project, but I just wanted to do it right now, this way. So it did take a while to finish painting the round one. I just had to speed it up so I can make a faster video for you guys. And on this one, I'm just going for a more natural look. So it's basically just adding a little bit of shine to the wood. And I was thinking of also adding round beads on this one, but then I decided to just leave it as it is. And you can always change it if you change your mind, depending on the season, on how you want to decorate your riser. So this paint has a little bit of texture when it dries, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep it that way. I might use a different paint because I don't know if I like the texture on the wood. It feels a little bit of like sandy material. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.